What are your constitutional rights under the Eighth Amendment? Imagine facing a legal situation where you're worried about unfair punishment or excessive fines. Knowing your rights can make a big difference in protecting yourself. Today, we're talking about the Eighth Amendment and what protections it offers you. This part of the Bill of Rights was added to prevent the government from being too harsh or unfair when dealing with people accused or convicted of crimes. It guarantees three main protections: protection against excessive bail, excessive fines, and cruel and unusual punishments. First, let's talk about bail. When someone is accused of a crime, they might have to pay money to the court to be released before their trial. The Eighth Amendment says this bail should not be unreasonably high. It's meant to be fair and not a punishment in itself. The idea is that bail should help ensure you come back for your trial, not punish you before you're even found guilty. This means the court can't set a bail amount that's so high it's impossible for you to pay, or that keeps you detained unfairly. Next, the amendment also protects you from excessive fines. If the government wants to fine you for breaking a law, that fine must be reasonable and proportional to the crime. It can't be so large that it feels more like punishment than a penalty. This rule stops authorities from using fines to unfairly punish or oppress people, especially if they try to impose huge fines to control or punish someone unfairly. Finally, the Eighth Amendment guards against cruel and unusual punishments. This means punishments must be humane and not inhumane or degrading. Historically, this has been used to ban barbaric acts like torture or mutilation. Today, it influences debates about the death penalty and prison conditions. Courts look at whether a punishment fits the crime and whether it reflects society's standards of decency. If a punishment is considered too harsh or inhumane, it can be challenged and changed. These protections apply to both federal and state governments, making sure everyone across the country is treated fairly. The Eighth Amendment is a key part of the Bill of Rights, helping to keep the criminal justice system just and humane. Knowing your rights under this amendment helps you understand the limits on government power and how you're protected from unfair treatment before and after any legal process.